So friends, we start Java programming. So conditional flow of control. Okay, my discussion is conditional flow of control. So conditional flow of control. Sometimes it may happens that you want to operate a block of statements. When the given conditions holds true, in case the given condition is false, the executions of the current block should be ignored and the control should move to execute another block. In this situation, the control executes a specific block of statements based on a given condition is known as conditional flow of control. The conditional flow of control can be achieved by using if statements. So statement in the following ways. Okay. So friends, following way is if statement. Number one, if statement. Number two, if else statement. Number three, nested if statement. Number four, if and only if. Okay, if and number four, if else statement. So friends, if statement, this statement is used when a statement or a block of statements to be executed based on a given condition holds true. In case the condition is false, it ignores the block and moves forward with normal flow of control. So suppose this is the way is a greater than 0, so it is false, otherwise it is true. Display a positive. Okay, if true, so it is display a is positive. Okay, so this is the way friends, it is the display a is positive. Okay, so now a situations may appear where you need to execute when you need to execute more than one statement means based on a condition. In such case all the statements must be enclosed within curly bracket inside the if block. Okay, so friends, you see that one example I have already created, practical example. You will see in my practical work. So where I use if statement, suppose I used, you can see I will write in this way, that is if n greater than, if n less than 0. Okay, this is the condition, my condition. Then I use curly bracket, curly bracket. This is the system out in system temp dot out dot print la negative number. And okay, this way system out dot print, everything is same. The program is terminates and the program is terminate. Okay, and and another is system exist. Okay, system dot exit. Okay, system dot exit 0. system.exit.0. Okay, so this way I write next line I used, because I say that next line, situations may appear when you need execute more than one statement curly brackets inside the if block. Okay, so in here I use exit 0. Sometimes it may happen that executions of the whole program is not over, but your requirement is fulfilled. Under such situations, you would like terminate the execution in the middle of the program. System.exit.0 means this line you will use. Okay, exit the 0 function will help you to carry out this task during the course of running the program. As soon as system.exit 0 function is involved, it will terminate the executions at the moment. Thus, the executions of remaining statement of the program will be ignored. Thanks for okay. So, friends, you will go now. We will discuss practical cars. Hello, dear friends. Welcome to my channel. Today's discussions is Java programming. Import Java dot util dot star comma. Okay, next is public class public class. Okay, my program is actually testing positivity. Okay, so this is a decisions control systems. I am just trying to find a program that a cube of positive number if their number is positive, and if the cube is negative number, then the number is negative. Okay, so this test is called decisions control test. I will solve this problem with the decision control process. Okay, so friends, you see that import java util dot star comma and public class positives. Okay, because public class positive is my program. Okay, next is I will write public static void main string args. Okay, public static void main string args, and next is second portion is scanner in equals to new scanner system dot in system dot in. Okay, system dot system dot in. Okay, so scanner in new scanner system dot in. Okay, so again I will write int n comma, sorry, it is comma sq comma cb. So system out print ln. Okay, system system dot out system dot out dot print ln, enter a number. Okay, n equals to next int. Okay, in next int, then this way. Okay, so system out print ln. Okay, in next int, next is my condition. If this is a decisions control system. Okay, I have already created a video based on decision control system in C program. Now I just create it in Java. Okay, so control system out, system dot out dot print ln. Okay, system dot out dot print ln, it is a negative number. Okay, it is negative number, negative number. Okay, it is negative number. Okay, so it is negative number. Another is out system so it is the program terminate. Okay, the program terminates. Okay, terminates. Next, so next is system dot exit. Okay, okay, so next is sq is equal to n cross n. Okay, sq, and cb is equal to okay, cb is equal to n star n star n star n star n. Okay, so this comma, and next is system dot out system dot out dot print ln. Okay, system dot out dot print ln, square of number equals to plus sq. Okay, out system dot out dot print ln equals to cube of number equals to plus cb. Okay, cb. So this is the way. So I hope then you can understand all the work. Now I run the program. Okay, let's see if any error, then I will find out. Okay, system dot exit. Okay, exit in here spelling is wrong, only one error, so it is exit. Okay, now next I will check any error furthermore. Okay, enter a number, suppose minus 25, then whatever I get. Okay, it is negative number, the program terminates, code executions successful. Next again, okay, again I run the program. Okay, enter a number, suppose it is 3. So what happened? Square is 9 and cube of number 27. What is decisions? My decision is that the number should be positive. If number is positive, then I can get cube and square. Okay, but I never get the values for negative. This is the decisions control system. This is the example of decision control system where I use if statement. Okay, if statement. So I have already created a condition. Okay, conditional flow. So that's why you get this kind of, that's why you get this is the condition is my if is equal if n greater than equals greater than or greater than 0, then it is, otherwise you get this value. So friends, very simple and very easy. If statement, if else statement. So conditional flow of control, you can solve a lot of problem with the help of if statement, if else statements, nested if statement, if and only if statements, and if else if statements in Java. Okay, but I also showing only one program, the only one condition. That condition is if statements. Thanks for watching.